Hey y'all, so I do this funny thing when I finish building a guitar. I'm usually either on like a tight deadline or I just get so excited that I completely forget to record a demo. Then no one knows what they sound like unless you ordered one and you get to play it in your room or wherever you play it. So I decided to record a video demo. The one that I just recently finished, I'm pretty proud of. It's a Mustang Style 24-inch scale, complete with McNelly Stagger Swagger V2s, and it sounds pretty awesome. So enjoy.